Hey guys, Anthony here from Anthony Programs, and in this video, a, we'll be making a basic Hello World application in C# using Visual Studio. Now to download Visual Studio, just go to www.visualstudio.com. And here, go Downloads, All Downloads, sign in with your Microsoft account. This is by Microsoft, by the way. So sign in into your Microsoft account and just hit Express the Visual Studio Community Express. Express the theme update for Windows Desktop. Okay, so once you're done and you finish the setup, this icon should be on your taskbar. It's quite a big. Requires 8 gigabytes of RAM on every hard drive. Or yes, just click New Project by the start here, or File, New Project, or Control-Shift-N if you're into keyboard shortcuts. Now guys, this is like your main help basically. For that you get announcement, you get discover what's new, just hit New Project. Okay, so you're in the New Project area. Just hit Visual C# Console Application, and we can name it whatever we want really. Now for this video I'll name it what am I gonna name it? Anthony's Hello World. Okay. So make sure you want the directory somewhere easy for you to find, not the location of the file. Maybe you can have it in your drive. Well, you can have it in your downloads. You can have it whenever you want, mate. I'm not. Well, yeah, you can. I'm gonna save it in desktop just for the sake of this video, just to make it clearer to find it. Console application selected. Okay. So Microsoft Visual Studio 2003 for Windows Desktop is creating Anthony's Hello World as a project in C#. Okay, so once you're here, this is gonna be how it looks like. The namespace, you can obviously change it. Let's call it Anthony, which is my name, Anthony. Class is a way of grouping, I guess. Now, making a hardware application is something that everyone makes in his life, in every single language actually. I'm gonna add some comments. Those are namespaces, just to show what you're using in the system itself. That's because it's in a console application. Just do this space to comment. Certain thing. So yeah, so to name a certain thing, we use a namespace, as you can see here. Class is a way of grouping. I'm just gonna Control Z for window. Okay. So yeah, so / class, which is a way of grouping, and of course this thing right here, which may look complicated, contains a function. Yeah. Okay, so now once we start our code, this, as you can see, there's like 2 short p brackets, or what I call them. Between those two, just write console dot. Nope, sorry guys. Dot. Okay, so you got all those modifiers, which if we did this dot, yeah, you got all those modifiers. But for this one, we'll be using the right line. You can just type it out for a second. Right line. Open up your brackets, which just click one and opens 2. Your quotation, and write whatever you want. Now, because this is a Hello World application, we can display the basics. Hello World. Okay. Now, if we build it, as in start without debugging, it should build, and you see the Hello World. the console prints out hello world. Since it's a console application, we use the right line command right here. Now if we press indicate to continue, it's done. Now what if we want to customize it a little? Maybe you'd like to change the color of the hello world text. Console dot foreground color equal, now this is to change the color of the text, console color dot, and you got all those colors. Now console meaning what's in what area is it, foreground color, there's the modifier for the color of the text that's after it, console color, as you can see, specifies define foreground and back colors for background colors for the console. Now, something that's cool in Visual Studio, if you hover over something, it tells you what it does. Represents the standard input-output notation for console application. This is what I told you. It represents the console. Foreground color gets or sets the foreground color of the console. Console color specific consists that define foreground and background colors for your console. And if we did this, console color dot, get all those colors. So let's pick one. I think I'm gonna take yellow. I think it look nice. Okay, now in every statement in C# you have to end it with a semicolon. Okay, so now you're going to save it. You say debug start without debugging, and as you can see the text is yellow, which is cool, I must say. Now let's see if we want to get more than. Now as you saw, the text was yellow right here. Now what if we want to change it? Maybe cyan, debug start without debugging, and it's cyan, guys. If you want to add background, hit console dot background. This happened. Background color equal, and I totally typed this wrong. Okay, so yeah, so I always stick with this background, which is really annoying. Color equal. Now as you can see, the console color command to define foreground and background colors of the console. I have to memorize that. Dot the color yellow, dark maybe. Let's take some, no black, it's already black. Magenta, I have no idea what's purplish red. Oh, it tells you what's the color too. Okay. Debug, start without debugging. And yeah, as you can see, we're blue. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and you don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any ideas for the next videos. Now the next videos, I will tell you, we'll be getting more advanced into it. We're doing this in C#. Maybe we'll put some C++ in the game. But yeah, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And